How to fixed camera flashlight not working in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, so update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so restart the phone. So click the power button and volume down button at the time and power off the phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so again click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on transfer or reset iPhone. So click on reset all setting, enter phone passcode. You will see reset all setting. Click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting. It's not remove and clean your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix camera flashlight not working in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.